What to do when you receive mail meant for someone else. We've all received a letter addressed to the wrong person or gotten a misdialed phone call. But what about getting someone else's email or a message addressed to your username but with a different number of periods in it? Let's say this is your email address, but you receive a message addressed this way. That extra period isn't anything to worry about because Gmail ignores periods in your username. Messages sent to all these addresses will all go to you, and you own your username along with all the variations of different periods. So if you try sending a message to yourself with a few extra periods in your username, you'd still get it in your inbox. If someone ever mistakenly types in your email when signing up for something, or sender just got the email address wrong, you can ignore or delete the message, or try responding to the sender so the message can get to its rightful owner. Feel free to leave me a feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.